Welcome to our new video quiz about animal sounds. In this exciting video quiz, we'll challenge your knowledge of common animal sounds and their English names. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you. Now let's start the challenge. What does the monkey say? Meow, gibber, or neigh? The correct answer is gibber. What does the snake say? Hoot, gibber, or hiss? The correct answer is hiss. What does the donkey say? Roar, bray, or moo? The correct answer is bray. What does the goat say? Bleat, bark, or chirp? The correct answer is bleat. What does the owl say? Hoot, squeak, or oink? The correct answer is hoot. What does the dolphin say? Laugh, click, or honk? The correct answer is click. What does the dog say? Bark, bleat, or growl? The correct answer is bark. What does the cat say? Sing, neigh, or meow? The correct answer is meow. What does the lion say? Growl, roar, or gobble? The correct answer is roar. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like and share it with your friends.